Luke, forward, forward, forward now! What are you doing?
So weird.
I don't know, but anyways, it's up and it's working. I can't believe it's working. Luke, forward, forward, forward!
I don't know, it's windy. Can you push out and get on? Okay, get on. Woo! Bon voyage! Yeah, that was ugly.
Is your dinghy okay?
Yeah. It's squishy.
That was a rough start. Well, I was recording all that.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
I was wondering if you remembered.
Of course I did. It was the first thing I thought of this morning.
Right.
Good birthday day?
So far.
Except our exit
Yeah, we almost squashed our dinghy, but
that we just got.
it's inflatable, so it's okay. New prop seems to be working nice and smooth. There might be more window there than I kind of wanted, but whatever. Well, at least I don't know where Victoria is.
Oh. I think we're going about 1.5 knots.
We've done a whole bunch of boat projects recently. We didn't film very much of it at all, or any of it. One of the things was new solar panels. So we bought new solar panels, put them on. They're 305 watts each, and we got 2 solar controllers for them, so each panel is independent, so it's kind of a redundant setup. That was a project.
We've already tested them and they work awesome.
Yeah, they're great. And we put in a new battery monitor. And because our little speaker that we have for music on the boat is just a little portable, like, suction cup paddleboard type speaker, it runs out of batteries too fast, so we just bought a new stereo for the boat as well.
We also got a new propeller blade.
One of our blades on the Kiwi prop had a big chunk taken out of the corner of it, so we ordered one from New Zealand and put that on. And I wish I had filmed it because it was so easy.
It was like probably the quickest project that he's ever done. It was like...
It was super easy, everything just worked. And
changed it under the water, so he had a tank and just in and out within 3 minutes and it was done. And
definitely recommend Kiwi props. And we also bought a dinghy and outboard.
so we now have a real dinghy, not the ridiculous 14-foot aluminum thing with a 50 horse, which was fun, but can't really string it up on our davits.
Yeah.
So we have some sticky notes to put over to the completed side. Oh.
What is that?
What's this? What's this now?
That can't come off yet.
It's not completed, but
No.
This is occurring right now.
Today we left Souk at about like 11 o'clock this morning, and It took us 7 hours. Because I don't like to motor, so we try to sail as much as we can, so we're a bit slower. And we're meeting up with some other boats, and we are going. The next little leg is to Sidney Spit tomorrow, and
the next day we are doing something that, like, this is all new to us anyways, but on Friday we are going to be going over to the States and checking in Roche Harbor, and then going over to Susha Island in the San Juans and staying there for 3 days, and then going back over to Pender Island for 1 night, and then the next day going back to Victoria, stay a night, and then back home. So it's a week-long trip, and today was a really good start to it.
Minus the very, very beginning where we tried to leave the dock, and I don't know, my dinghy acted as a fender between the boat that was behind us.
So yeah, it was kind of a little bit of a rough start just with getting out of the marina. But once we got to Race Rocks, which is like notoriously bad for tides and stuff like that, or current, it was actually perfect. We sailed right through with no issues, and then we hit some doldrums for a little bit and bobbed around. We kind of had a little bit of everything, a little bit of rain, a little bit of sunshine,
A little bit of fast, a lot of slow.
And our friends that we're going on this trip with tomorrow, Keesmat, the sailboat right there on the very end, that's Leah and Kyle. They're going to Alaska for 4 months, right after we're done at Susha. So this is their goodbye party.
Also my birthday party.
Oh yeah, and it's Luke's birthday.
It is my birthday.
Good morning.
Morning. Just thought we would show more of all the work we've been doing. Back here, it used to be really messy. There was wires coming down.
From the old solar panels.
Yeah, the old solar panel wires are just strapped to here, as well as the automatic antenna tuner wire and the big box, the controller for the antenna tuner attached where that little motor plate is. And I just relocated all of that stuff, so the antenna tuner is now underneath, and all the wires are run down there now. These wires for the radar and the stern light used to come out a hole right here and go into the vent. All the wires are running through the vents, so much cleaner.
And bent and painted the radar pole because the solar panels stick out too far. And now it's beautiful.
Who should we show them the paint spot?
Oh yeah, we might paint the deck this summer. We got a little excited. We found some paint that they obviously used for the boat in the past, for the top side. It's called Bright Side, I think. And I don't even know if you could see it really, but there's we painted a square on the deck here. It's super glossy and pretty. And that's it for now. So we're going on this little trip with our friends, but we wanted to get a head start because we don't really want to use our motor if we don't have to. And they are motor sailors. They want to get there fast. So we got a bit of a head start. We don't know where we're going exactly, but we have navionics and stuff, so I'm sure we'll make it there. Right now we have the current in our favor. I don't think there's much wind right now because our sails aren't doing anything, but we're moving at 6 knots with no wind, so I think we have a good lead on them. So that's Canada, and that is the States, San Juan Island. What are you doing?
So weird.
That's messed up. That just feels so wrong. Alright, so the wind is pretty dead now, and we've just been motoring, and we're going right downwind, and they actually got the courage up and put their spinnaker out. So we're going to attempt, but we don't want to do anything wrong. Like, there's no gust, there's nothing happening right now, so it's not really dangerous, but we're still a little bit nervous. So we're gonna try it because they tried it. Our spinnaker is asymmetrical, and we have I'm not really sure what the difference is between a spinnaker pole and a whisker pole, but apparently you're not supposed to use one of those with an asymmetrical spinnaker. I don't know, but anyways, it's up and it's working. I can't believe it's working. Thoughts, Captain?
We should figure out how to hook it up properly, but it looks neat.
Yeah.
Oh, it has a baby hole in it.
I know, I saw that.
It needed to be dried out anyway. It was smelling all musty.
All right, we had to take it down. We enjoyed about 60 seconds of spinnaker flying. It's okay, better safe than sorry. They took theirs down too. There's been an onboard debate about what to do with his hair because he doesn't know how to have long hair. He's only had it for like 3 years, and it's long now, but I've had long hair my whole life, so...
Long, thin hair.
Still, I kind of know what to do with whatever. Anyways, I think that he should get dreads. He used to have dreads, but then he's just another white guy with dreads. No offense if you're a white guy with dreads and you're watching this. Dreads, I want dreads. I had 3 dreads at one point, but anyways. It would save like a lot of work because we have hair all over our boat and we're cleaning the boat constantly because both of us have long hair and we both shed like dogs, and he just doesn't know how to do it.
And apparently I don't know how to do it. And if I put coconut oil in it, I do it wrong.
You just don't put enough.
Or I put too much, I try to put it in the wrong spot, or, you know.
You can see where this is going. Anyways, uninteresting topic. We're
I don't
almost...
know. Everyone gets sick of sailing. They want to know all the garbage that happens.
This is the garbage we argue about, is his hair. Anyways, we're coming up on, I think this is Sydney.
Sidney Island.
Sidney Island. So we're kind of almost there after 5 hours and 16 minutes of being on this boat together.
And all of yesterday.
And all of yesterday.
And all of the last year.
Is that perfect?
Yeah, that's pretty perfect.
Do you see the hair situation I was talking about? It looks ridiculous. Put your bun back in. That's a serious storm over there. It looks like it's kind of going, I don't know directionally where we are, but it looks like it's going that way. And we're staying over there. I'm a little bit scared about trying to grab this board ball. I hope it doesn't suck. There's a lot of firsts on this trip. Cool. We did it. First try. I actually got it. Luke's just making us taco soup. Oh, that's gross looking. Captain Croc's Fiery Poop Soup. It's taco soup with Leah's really good fiery poop hot sauce that she made for us. It's delicious. And Kyle told us to prepare our buttholes for later. Anyways, a good day. Okay, first dinghy ride in our new dinghy. Woo!
Oh, it's got power.
There's a bunch of people right there.
I think that's that.
Bienvenue, birds. This is so weird just seeing like totally different landscape when we're like just on the other side of the island.
And we got here.
By boat, not car.
It only took like 4 times as long. But it was fun.
That's probably like, so 7 hours the first night, 6.5 second day. Yeah, I'd say that's like 13 times as long, but way more fun.
Doing it.
Hey guys, glad you're still here watching. I know it's been a while since we've put anything new out. We decided to take some time off of filming as we had a lot going on over the past year. This footage you just watched is from 1 year ago when we did our very first big trip. In the next episode, we continue the adventure and realize that cruising is definitely for us. Thanks again for watching and stay tuned as we have way more of the Pacific Northwest to show you.
Ready?
Oh, sure. Oh my gosh! Is that what I'm supposed to do?
Yeah, sure.